Welcome to another interesting video of this eShop web application series. So this is the final video of this eShop web application, and this is the tour video of this fully completed eShop project. So today now I will show you the processes, all the processes done in this eShop project. So let's get started. So I will start with the sign up and the sign in process. So we can simply sign up by entering some values to these fields like a first name, last name, email address, and like that. And here I have done some validations also. So if I now click sign up, it will direct me to the sign in part of this eShop web application. So if I enter the email address and if I enter the password wrong, there is an alert that the password is wrong, invalid password. We will get an alert. If we enter the password in a correct way, it will direct me to the if we enter that details in a correctly, we will be redirected to the eShop home.php page. So this is the home page which I have constructed to the eShop project, eShop web application. That the footer is there and the products are visible here. The carousel is visible here. We can go to the user profile by simply clicking the my profile in the drop down which is containing in the header. I have taken these values from the session, and because I haven't so this address line 1, 2, they are empty because I haven't updated those before. So I will now update these so the address line 2 is not a must to enter. So now we will enter something like a profile image. Then if I simply click update my profile, the profile that you saw that the page reloaded and the values are being settled here. We will see the process of registering a product to this eShop product registration process. So here we can simply go to my products and we can click add product and add a product to this eShop project. So the user can sell a product in this eShop project. So that is another word to describe it. So we can select categories here. Now if we select a category, the brands under that category is also automatically settled here. Then if we select a brand, the models under that brand is also being settled here in this model. Then we can add a title to the product. Then the condition we can give as I will keep it at brand new, and I can select a color of the product and the quantity, then the cost per item, then the delivery fee cost within Colombo and out of Colombo, then the product description. Then I can upload the images to my to the product. I will upload image like this, and simply I will click the save product button. Then we will get an alert that the product is added successfully and the page will be reloaded and we can see now that the product is added successfully. So now if we see the updating process of an product, so we can simply click this update button and go to the updating process of that product. So here not all the things are allowed to update. Only the title is allowed to update, quantity, delivery cost, then the description and the images are only have the ability to update. So here we can update like the title, the quantity, then the description, and I will update the image here. I'll update image like something there, and I will simply click update product, and I can update the product that I have got an alert that successfully the product is updated successfully. So when we redirect, then it will redirect me to the myproduct.php. Then it will redirect me to the seller store. So we can see that that product is updated here. So I have added some products to this e-shop. So these are visible in my seller store. So here I have added a pagination part here. The pagination means that we have assigned a value to this pagination, like results per page is 3, then results per page is 6. We can assign like that. Then if that results per page is exceeding, that another page is broken here, and that exceeding products will be added there like this. I have turned here the results per page is 3. So if we there are 5 products, so that limit is exceeding, so there is another page broken here, made here, and those 2 exceeding products are added here. So that is the simply pagination part. So now we will see the sorting process of these products. We can sort. We can for the first step we can sort by the title of that product. We can search by the title like this 13, and that products will be visible to here, and we'll type Samsung. So there are no any Samsung items. This wave area is shown empty. Then I can sort my products by newest to oldest, then from newest oldest to newest. Then I can sort by quantity high to low, then quantity low to high. I can sort my items like high to low, the quantity, and low to high. Then the condition brand new, though there are no any used items, the view area is empty here. So that is the sorting process of this seller store. Simply we can click clear, and we can clear that sorting process. So now if we see the deactivating process, we can simply off this switch so that the product is deactivated, and this text is moved to make your product active. So we are sure that this product is currently deactivated. If we deactivate all the products here, and now we will see the home page. The home page is fully empty because I have deactivated the products. Only the activated product is shown in this home page. So now we will see the advanced search process here. So we can go to the advanced search process by simply clicking this advanced text. So as the first step, I will show you by how we can search the items by using a keyword. So if we click this, I have searched apple. So if I click the search button, the apple's items are loaded here. If I click 13 and click the search button, then the 13 matching items are viewed here. And if we search for the Samsung, there are no Samsung items, so that view area is empty here. We can search items from the category also. Like this, we can give a separate category. Then the cell phones and accessories, and the computers and tablets. This MacBook Pro is visible to us. And cameras, though there are no any items in the cameras category, that view area is shown empty here. Then we can enter a band, and then if we search item, this item is viewed here. So we can give the condition also, brand new items. So the brand new items of the category cell phones, then that MacBook Pro is hidden. MacBook Pro is removed from here, and the computers and tablets, this brand new is visible. Brand new is visible to us. And if we enter the used option, there are I haven't uploaded any used items yet. I have not added any used item yet, so that view area is shown here empty. It was again the color of these products. By entering the color, we can also sort this product. So finally, we can sort the products by price low to high, then price high to low. So there are 4 options. We can sort the products: quantity high low to high, then quantity high to low. So here basic search process is done here. Within this home page, there is a text field to search items. Also there is a select tag to select the categories of the searching product. So if I search the MacBook in the cell phones and accessories, and if I click search, there are no MacBooks in the cell phones and accessories. If we search in the computers and tablets category, that MacBook is visible here, viewed here. So that is if we select all categories, then all the products are viewed here, and the cell phones and accessories, and computers and tablets, like that. Now we will see the single product view of a product. So there are 3 products currently activated now. So if I click any item, this buy now, if I click the buy now button on any item, it will redirect me to the single view product page. So here the information of that product is shown, like titles, then the price, warranties, and the sellers, then the quantity, and here the brand of that product is shown, and then the model, then the description is shown, and there is the feedback area in here. So here if this is the image which I have uploaded to this product. If we click on this, that image will be visible in this main div. So now we will talk about the watch list and the cart page, like adding an item to the watch list or cart, then removing process, all those. So if we now go to the wish list, though I haven't added any items to the watch list, this user haven't added any items to the watch list, the watch list page is showing the empty design. That this is the empty design that you have no items in your watch list yet, and there's a buttons to start shopping. So now I will add some products to the watch list page, and if I click the wish list, so we can see the items we have added here, the titles and the colors, and some information is visible to here, and there's the buttons to buy now, add to cart, or remove this product. So if I show you the removing process, if we simply click this remove button, we can remove the items from the watch list, like here. So if we see the cart process, though I haven't added any items to the cart yet. It is showing me the empty design of the cart, displaying me you have no items in your cart yet, and there's a button that to start shopping. So then if I start shopping and I add some items to the cart like this, that if we go to the cart now, that items are shown here. So the items, the image is shown here, then the some information of that product, like delivery fee, quantity. So the quantity can be increased here because we can buy it from here also. So if I simply click this remove button, then I will get an alert that the product has been removed, and that product is been removed from the cart. So here the summary that is updated. There's only 2 items in this cart. Now at currently there are 2 items in the cart. Then the total is also changed. So now we will go to the process of purchasing a product through the per payment gateway and the invoicing story. So in this home page, there are now 3 items visible here. So if I click the buy now buttons of any items in this home page, it will be redirected to the single product view. If I click this, it will be redirected to single product view. So here I will keep the quantity as 1, and if I click buy now button, that this pop-up is open, and this is a pay here payment gateway. So if now we can enter the details of the card to buy this product, and if we enter those values and click pay, it will pop up as a payment approved, and it will be after making that payment, we will be redirected to the invoice page. So here invoice page is here invoice 2 is the buyer, the person who buys that product. Then here some details of the e-shop, then the invoice ID and the date time of that invoice is created, and the product details of this order and the subtotal like that shown here. So we can simply click this print button and print this invoice like this. I have given an option to the user to print this invoice. And now if I focus on the feedback sending process to and purchase product, we can click the feedback button in any items in this purchase history. I will click here, and we will get a pop-up that add new feedback. So I will add a feedback here, positive. Then I will click save feedback, and then the model is closed. So if we now see here that items feedback area, that the added feedback is shown here. So that is a positive feedback, so that the positive label is shown here, and the name of that buyer and the feedback sender, then the feedback is shown here. Now if we see the messaging part, here we can click the messages, and we can go to the messaging area. So I have sent a message to this user, keeping there's hi. Then if I click on this, I can view here the message from that user. So it is sent by this user, and if I respond to it, I click this, and that message is shown here. Then if we see the send part of this user message sent, then this message hello message is shown there. So this is the admin sign-in design which I have created in this eShop web application. Here that admin should enter his or her email address here, and click this send verification code, and the send verification code button will be if that admin click this button, that a verification code is going to that email, and we must enter the admin must enter that verification code to login. So here I will enter the admin's email. Then if I click send verification code, I will get a pop-up to there is the text is admin verification, and to enter my verification code which I have received. So if I go to my email now, the last verification code is received here. So if I enter, and I entered that verification code and clicked sign in, verify, then it direct me to the admin panel.php file, to the admin panel. This is the dashboard of that admin. Then the daily earnings is shown here, the product which we purchased today. Then the monthly earnings, then today sellings, then the monthly sellings, and the total sellings is one item now. Then the total engagement is 2 members. Then this total engagement means the amount of users who have signed up now currently. So this total active time is shown here. Here I have given a date, and this is the subtraction of the I have the given date and the today's date. So this is I have used the set interval function here. So here the mostly sold item is this, the title of that one item, then the price, then the mostly famous seller. The seller name who have added this item is this me, and the profile image of that seller is this shown here. If we see the manage users page, there are only 2 users here. So if we can block the users from here. If we see the manage product program, it will show me the products currently available in the eShop, all the products, then the titles, product image, then the price, quantity, like that, and the registered date. So we can block these products as usual, like the user blocking process. And if we click on this product image, a model is open to see the description of this product, and the seller, and the quantity, and the price is shown in this here. We call this a single product view model. So now we will see the category registration model, category registration process. So these are the categories currently available in this eShop. So if we click the add new category, this box, so we get an pop up to enter the category name and the email address of this admin to verify that it's him. Then I will enter a category name like and if I enter the email address of this admin, then I will click save the category. Then a model is open again to enter the verification code. Here I am sending a verification code to that admin's email to verify that this is a admin, and here they are telling me to enter the verification of that. So if I see the email now, there's a verification code for the category registration. So if I enter this verification code and I click verify and save, then that category is added here. That fashion category is added. Manage users page, there's an option for the admin to chat with the users directly. So if I get this your second user and if I send a message to him, then this send message is shown here. And if we see the that users part, that message is sent to that user here, and that user can also send a message to the admin like this, and that message is shown here. So finally we will see the selling history process. Selling history, there's only one item sold now in this selling history. So this invoice ID is shown of the selling history, then the product title, buyer, then the amount, quantity, and like that. Then we can change the status of this order by clicking this confirm order, packing, and so on, dispatch, shipping, delivered. The final step of this changing status process is the delivered process, delivered status. So here I have given an option for the admin to search the selling histories by using the invoice ID, then the from date and the to date. So it comes to the end of my of the tour video of this eShop web application. So I think you guys hopefully enjoy this video. Meet you in the next video series. Thank you for watching.